Hey guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 9 Day 5 worksheet. And so we're going to start with number 11. When solving an equation that has a squared, it may be helpful to get me the squared term alone because I don't see another t involved here. I just have t squared, so we want to get t squared by itself. So I'm going to start by subtracting 8 from both sides. That gives me 82 equals 1.5 t squared. T squared is still not by itself, so I need to divide both sides by 1.5 because that's the opposite of multiplying. Typing that into my calculator, I get t squared equals 54.6 repeating, and I'm going to leave that value on my calculator. I'm not going to hit clear just yet, because when I take the square root of both sides, if I hit the square root button, and then I hit second and the negative sign, that puts in that previous answer, that whole 54.6 repeating. I don't want to round that number because then I'll lose a little bit of precision. When I do that, I get x equals, and I'm asked to round to the nearest tenth. So we're going to say 7.4. And remember, in an equation here, I don't have any context for this equation, so I'm going to say plus or minus 7.4. Flipping over to the other side, looking at number 15, the Japanese art of origami requires folding square pieces of paper. Elena begins with a large sheet of square paper that is 169 square inches. So if I know the whole thing is 169 square inches, I know that each side is 13 inches long. I'm going to draw myself a picture here because I think the answer might be a little bit different than we're thinking it's going to be. How many squares can she cut out of the paper that are 4 inches on each side? So along this side I have 4 inches, and 4 more inches would make 8, and 4 more inches would make 12, and then I have this little 1-inch strip left over. So I sort of have this little 1-inch strip over here that's left over that's going to be excess, because we want to know exactly how many square pieces of paper, not I'm going to cut out the squares and put them all back together again. We're going to do the same thing along the other side. That I could make one row here that's 4 inches, and another 4 inches would give me 8 inches, and another 4 inches would give me 12 inches, and then I have this one little 1-inch piece at the top. So again, I've got some excess that we're going to have to, that is going to be waste. Looking at my shape there, I can see I have 9 squares. If you have any questions, please let us know.